Hey, Chris Weitzel here, owner of Chris Seafood at 1300 Seagrave, Unit 4. Today it's all about platters. We just showed how we butter poach some Caribbean lobster tails, which can be addition to any platter, but comes standard on the crowd pleaser and the mini crowd pleaser. And so, let's get started. Parsley, anything green. Now I'm using curly leaf parsley. You could use flat leaf parsley. In a pinch, I've used dill. Anything really to take, and you don't need a lot. You're really just creating a bed for whatever you're gonna put on your platter. And I'm being a little picky here, and I'm taking off the big coarse ends that really, they're just not that, they're not that attractive. And we're adding cocktail sauce. We make our own in-house cocktail sauce, and when you're at home, it's easy. All you're taking, base is ketchup, horseradish. We like to use a bit of the hot stuff mixed with some of the original. Depends what you like. If you want to make it sweet, you'd obviously go with no heat at all and just go with an original. And then you're gonna add in some Frank's Red Hot or Tabasco for some heat, or for sure, you want to add in Worcestershire, worst word in the world, sauce. And yeah. So we have what our standard recipe is. That is the layout. And then you just start to layer. Gonna start off with some, these are cooked 21-25 black tiger shrimp. White Pacific shrimp are also available in varying sizes. This is what I just kind of use as my standard. These also come in much bigger, so an 8 to 12 per pound or a 13-15. They always come with the tail on. And I go in and I just overlap a little bit. And there's really no wrong way to do this. You'll know if it's wrong if it looks crappy. The main thing is you just want to leave enough room that you have for everything. Next, we're gonna put on, these are a nice addition. These are little mini crab claws. And all it is a snow crab claw that's been cut, and it comes like this, frozen, and you just have to thaw them out. And beautiful, nice little lollipop piece of meat here. And you can see I already dried everything off. So that's just letting it sit in some water or rinsing it in a colander. And then you're just gonna, depending on how you want them to look, I like to have the claws facing out to make a bit of a foundation, and then you just want to kind of stack. Try and get some kind of 3D going on here. And I just love making platters. They're just, you can make it as whimsical as you want. So there we go. We got half the platter filled with 2 more items. One's a bit smaller. Now we come to surimi crab. Say what you want about this. It's a flavored, usually flavored pollock and a few other fish mixed in and made into what looks like crab. I think there's like minimal crab in here, maybe enough to call it surimi crab, but I mean, it's good stuff. It's a good protein source. And I'm gonna add in some color right here first. So just grab a couple lemon wedges, and I like to use them just kind of as your divider. And then we go in and we just start layering in the crab. And I like to look for nice pieces that you think would make the nice bottom. So the last thing I'm gonna put on is that decadent lobster that we poached in some Old Bay seasoning and Mr. Amish's hand-rolled butter. So the one little thing that I want to show is when you're using a product you don't have a lot of, but you want to make it look like it's a lot. So just fluff up the bottom with a little bit of whatever you're putting on. So because I'm using curly parsley, I'm just gonna add a bit extra in. Push that down a bit, then anything. See, it looks full already. And we're just gonna go in. You wanna leave the big chunks to last. Put them on top. And there you go. And there you have it. That start to finish probably took no more than 10 minutes. Lay your parsley out, put your cup in the middle and fill around it. Now, like I said, this is just one that I just wanted to throw together and show it is not hard. We have all these items here at the store. We have even the platters you can buy and the sauce as well if you want to make your own. Some people don't like to travel with a made platter for obvious reasons, and we sell these deconstructed as well. So that's it. So make sure you check out the website. We have all the different types of platters available. The one thing I didn't touch on today that is very popular on platters is smoked fish. There's smoked trout, smoked salmon, smoked mackerel, and smoked eel as well. And any type of customized platter, it's totally up to you. So, hope you had fun watching me construct a platter. We're gonna eat this bad boy now. So remember, I'm Chris here at 1300 Seagrave Unit 4, here to make your meals and appetizers and platters hook, line, and simple. Thanks a lot.